Hey everybody, this video we're going to do a American Lock Series 50. Bidding on this one is 24468, and we're going to use the new AM5 Lishi to try to open it. And I'm kind of disappointed with it. This thing won't even slide into a lot of the aftermarket American Lock keyways, so it's, I don't know, not wildly impressed with it like I am with some of the other Lishis. This lock though is kind of cool. This has serrated pins in it. And so we're going to start on 1, nothing there. Click on 2, click on 3, click on 4. We're going to not touch number 5 because we know it's an 8 cut. And so if you touch it, you're just going to overset it. Okay, so click on 2, it's probably set. 3 is probably set. 4. Okay, 3 is binding again. Okay, 4 is binding. Okay, I've overset something here, so we'll start over. Start on 4 this time. Click on 4. Click on 2, nothing on 1. Click on 2, nothing on 1 still. Click on 4, a little bit of rotation. Okay, now 1's binding, so now you should just see clicking through each serration. And we're open. So just want to show you, just going through the serrated pins there, how easy it can be actually to put too much tension and just overset it. So anyway, we see shackles open, and it does work on some of these locks here, but I've actually ran into a lot more that I can't pick than I can. So, and these are all locks that I've picked just with lock picks too. So the tool, I'm not sure, makes it any easier, and I could even see a scenario where the lock is locked on something, this tool making it actually harder. So anyway, that's all I got for now. So we'll talk to everybody later.